everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just keep on watching. And if you want to be entered in this month's giveaway where we give away a big box of makeup, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never miss a video. And then if you live in the USA, then go ahead and comment done down below and you will be automatically entered. And yeah, our giveaways are US only, so that's just a heads up on that. But jumping straight into the tutorial, the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I just primed my entire eyelid, and then I blended it out with a damp beauty sponge, and then I set everything in place with some translucent powder. And then for today's tutorial I used the Huda Beauty Neon Pink Obsessions palette, which I absolutely loved. I feel like the colors on the inside are really beautiful, and there is a decent amount of mattes and shimmers. And yeah, I've really been enjoying this palette and I've used it in a few different ways. So yeah, the first thing that I did was I grabbed a big fluffy brush and I just dipped it into the pale pink shade in the top corner. And this is going to be our transition shade, so just like a background shade for the rest of the eyeshadows that we're going to apply later on. So you don't have to be too precise with this step, you just put it in your crease with a fluffy brush, going in back and forth motions. This is probably the easiest part of the whole tutorial, is always just throwing in the transition shade because it's just so easy, you just throw it in the crease. And then I think this is where it gets a little bit tricky for people, but I use a defined angled brush and I went into that brighter pink shade and I just start to put that shade in my crease a little bit above my actual crease, so when I open my eye you're able to see the eyeshadow all around my eye. It kind of frames the eye nicely. So definitely open your eye, look into the mirror and just kind of figure out where that nice space in your crease is, that you're going to be able to see it when your eye is open or closed. So definitely just try that method. Just open your eye, look in the mirror, and then definitely draw the line above your actual crease. And then I blended it out with that first pale pink shade that we used, and then I went back into the Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I just cleaned up all over my lid space. This step is definitely optional. I know this is also really hard for people that are beginners, but definitely practice makes perfect. And it took me a while to really master cutting the crease, but I feel like it just makes the look a lot cleaner. And I usually set the concealer on my lid after I apply the concealer. And then I went in with that first transition shade that we applied in our crease and I started to buff that from the outer corner, feeding it inwards, leaving the inner lid completely bare. And then I decided to add some glitter in the crease, and I feel like this is where the look gets really fun. So I added the NYX glitter primer and my Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter in the shade Crystal Cave. And this is definitely one of my favorite silver glitters at the moment. But using a defined angled brush, I first applied the glitter glue, kind of mapping out where I want the glitter. And then I went into the glitter and put that in my crease from inner corner to kind of the middle of the lid. And then for lashes, I went in with my Sofie Bella lashes in the style Barbados. Definitely check out the link in the description box down below for the link to these lashes. They're definitely super glam, but I feel like if you love long dramatic lashes, these are definitely the lashes for you. And then I went into that first pink shade once again and I just put that all over my lower lashes, mainly focusing it on the outer corner. And then the last thing that I did was I just applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial as much as I enjoyed creating it for you guys. I always have so much fun filming these eye looks, and it honestly brings me so much joy and happiness when I read your guys' comments, and I'm so grateful for all the love and support that I have received from you guys over the years, and it doesn't go unseen. I definitely read all the comments and I'm so grateful. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye!